Asheville draws us. She calls us. She nurtures us. We are the land of the sky with roots that run deep. We're the lady on the hill and a wise gentleman from the south side. Punk rock chefs and a church that pumps rock. We craft and brew and paint and carve. Born out of necessity, now celebrated for ingenuity. We are growers who are artists and artists whose work grows because we never stand still. We move to the beat of our own drummer, and there's plenty of those to choose from. We're a mixture of genres, a hybrid of styles. We depend on each other for nothing and everything. We are everyone for every single one. Our goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be perfectly who we are. Because through it all, we are always Asheville.